Hey people, today we are going to prepare fish tawa fry. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter spoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So 1 packet of fish fry masala, 1 lemon size tamarind paste or a puree. You can call it as a puree. You can add 2 tablespoons of oil and we should mix it well. Mix it well as there is no crumbs in the middle. Now I'm going to add a fish pieces to this masala and we should coat it well. Mix it well nicely and marinate more than half an hour so that you'll have a nice juicy and tasty fish tawa fry. So let us marinate well. So let us mix it well and marinate more than half an hour so that tasty tawa fry. In the last you can have curry leaves to this and then you can fry it on a tawa. So for the fry we'll put some oil to the pan and let it get heated. Let's add curry leaves to it. Now I am going to add the marinated pieces to the oil. So I am going to fry this one in a low flame. So now I am going to move the next one. Let it get fried in a low flame. I'm going to flip the pieces. So we can fry each side for 2 minutes. So now our fish fry is ready to serve.